Instant Moto. KEMIMOTO has hooked us up with a flip up front windshield, some super fat whips, and the mounts for Willie's 950 Trail.
All right, so what we're going to be doing is upgrading from this one right here, which has been it's been a good windshield. I'm not going to knock it by no means. We were in a pinch. It was affordable, so I mean, I still would highly recommend this if you're trying to work on a good budget. But upgrading to a much better, much needed windshield.
Yeah, the flip up, we have a similar design on the HOEX, and it works well when you just get all the mud caked up on the windshield and you don't want to wipe these windshields because they scratch easily. That one that he just had there scratched pretty well, and so you can just open it up and be able to see clear view. And then these fat whips they sent us,
These are sick.
are awesome.
Those are awesome.
And whips serve multiple purposes, but one thing that I really like about any kind of whip when you have them installed is your taillights just get covered in mud. And with whips, you can run them on red or white or multicolored, but that way you're still seeing, you know, through the dust and the...
Oh yeah, you'll be able to see these from a good ways away. What's up, guys? All right, so a couple days ago we did the unboxing video for KEMIMOTO Windshield, the flip up windshield, and the 1-inch whip lights. Windshield is phenomenal. It's done good. We took it out to mud 185, had a good time, a blast with it. It's way better than the 3-star windshield that I did have. Nothing wrong with the 3-star windshield. It's just a cheaper, more affordable version if you want it really good. This is just an upgraded version of it. We really enjoyed it, and we're gonna have a couple clips showing the functionality of it, so y'all see that. But let's get started with the whip lights. We're gonna do the install and show you what these look like. So we've already done the unboxing, but I want to show y'all again. These right here. Oh, gosh, these are gonna be so awesome. But they come with these flags. I got 2 different colors. You got them with that one, and then we got the orange, which I'm gonna go. There we go. Check it out, guys. But I think I'm gonna go with this one because it matches the color of my unit. So let's get this going, get it installed. Alright, so guys, it also comes with some instructions. Like for example, somebody smarter than me may know, but I wanted to make sure of my bolting, like how it went on. And the instructions are real easy to read, real simple. Just making sure that you get the bolts in the right spot. So. Alright, so next was, that took about maybe 20 minutes to do the hardware part of it. Not bad, really quick, real easy install. The brackets are good, they clamp good, so it's going to be a real good solid structure on there. Next is the wiring. Stay tuned because this is where it gets fun. Real quick, easy. it comes to your basic wiring needs, you can pick one of these up from any Advanced Auto Parts or O'Reilly's. Me personally, I'm an O'Reilly's guy, but nonetheless, affordable kit, good for doing basic wiring like I'm doing right now. So. Alright guys, so a couple days ago we finished up the install on the whip lights, the windshield. We're fixing to do a full review on the functionality of the windshield and the whip lights. But real quick before we hit the road and show you all that windshield, I was looking at these right here. This is a real quick, easy, quick release, so that way if you don't want to use them out on the trail, just undo this right here, pop it off. But real quick and simple, snaps right back on. Hey guys, so just finished up the ride showing the functionality of the windshield and with it being vented and all the way open. I love it. It's real well put together. I have no issues with it. I'm glad that we got it. As you can see on the front, if you look at it, it fits well. It sits in place nice. There's no issues with it. I think it looks good. It's a very good windshield for this particular unit. But all in all, it is a very well put together windshield, real easy and simple to install. I think total time we had maybe an hour in the whole thing. So shout out to KEMIMOTO. Go check out their page, KEMIMOTO.com. Get you some of them fat whips in this windshield. They got a bunch of different things. You can go see all the stuff that they have. Hopefully we're going to get some more stuff from them, be able to show you guys and share with y'all. So go check them out, KEMIMOTO.com. Misfit Moto out.
As you said, professional.
Alright, we gotta stop laughing. Gotta get my serious face on. Like the wind's blowing in my face. I'm just kidding.